Question number 01. Where conduits enter a floor-standing switchboard, switchgear or panel board at the bottom, the conduits, including their end fittings, shall not rise more than blank above the bottom of the enclosure. Answer C. 75 millimeters. Question number 2. What is the maximum height allowed for receptacle outlets above countertop surfaces in dwelling units? Answer C. 500 millimeters. Question number 3. For conductors installed in a conduit or tubing nipple, when the length is blank or less, there is no need to apply ampacity adjustment factors for more than 3 current-carrying conductors in the raceway. Answer D. 600 millimeters. Question number 4. What is the current in amperes when 10 coulombs of charge flow past a given point in a wire in 2 seconds? Answer D. 5 amperes. Question number 5. Which type of single conductor cable is allowed for use in PV source circuits within the PV array? Answer D. USE2. Question number 6. What is the maximum allowed length, without overcurrent protection, for a 200 ampere rated busway tapped from a 600 ampere rated busway in industrial establishments? Answer D. 15 meters. Question number 7. When installing non-metallic sheath cable enclosed in an underground buried PVC conduit, the cable blank. Answer D. is prohibited. Question number 8. What is the resistance of a 100 feet length of copper wire with a cross-sectional area of 810.1 circular mil and a resistivity of 10.37 circular mil ohm per foot? Answer D. 1.280 ohm. Question number 9. Any switch or device that is normally used to start and stop a motor by making and breaking the motor circuit current. Answer D. Controller. Question number 10. Resistors of 16 ohms, 24 ohms and 48 ohms, respectively, are connected in parallel to a 230-volt supply. Determine the total current. Answer A. 28.75 amperes. Question number 11. The Ohm's law formula, I equals E over R, states that current is blank proportional to the voltage, and blank proportional to the resistance. Answer D. Directly, inversely. Question number 12. What is the voltage across a 4.7 mega ohm resistor when a current of 50 microamperes flows through it? Answer D. 235 volts. Question number 13. The resistance of 50 meters of a certain cable is 0.20 ohm. Calculate the resistance of 800 meters of this cable. Answer A. 3.2 ohms. Question number 14. What is the maximum allowable run length for a 20 ampere circuit when using 0.75 mm square fixture wire for tapping? Answer B. 15 meters. Question number 15. What is the maximum allowable loading per line for a single-phase, 240-volt, 15 kVA standby generator? Answer C. 62.50 amperes. Question number 16. The grill of an electric cooker has two identical elements, each of resistance 48 ohms, which are connected in parallel for high heat and in series for low heat. One element only is used for medium heat. Calculate the current drawn from a 230 volt supply for high switch position. Answer C. 9.58 amperes. Question number 17. When are fuses and circuit breakers permitted to be connected in parallel? Answer C. Only if individually listed as a unit and factory assembled in parallel. Question number 18. What classification does the entire area of a service pit located in a commercial major repair garage receive when it lacks mechanical ventilation? Answer D. Class 1, Division 1. Question number 19. What is the voltage limitation for using individual single-pole circuit breakers with identified handle ties as the protection for each ungrounded conductor in 3-wire direct current circuits supplied from a system with a grounded neutral? Answer B. 125 volts. Question number 20. What is the maximum line-to-neutral voltage allowed for circuits using plug fuses supplied by a system with a grounded neutral point? Answer C. 150 volts. Question number 21. What type of device is permitted to be used for isolating objectionable DC ground currents from cathodic protection systems? Answer C. Listed AC coupling, DC isolating device. Question number 22. Electrically conductive materials that are likely to become energized shall be connected together into the supply system grounded equipment in a manner that creates a blank path for ground fault current. Answer B. Low impedance. Question number 23. Which type of circuits shall not be grounded if operating over combustible fibers in Class 3 locations? Answer B. Circuits for electric cranes. Question number 24. What is the power in watts when an amount of energy equal to 100 joules is used in 5 seconds? Answer C. 20 watts. Question number 25. Dual voltage AC motors are made with two field windings. The field windings are connected in blank for low voltage operation and in blank for high voltage operation. Answer B. Parallel series. Question number 26. When a motor starts, the current drawn is approximately blank times the motor FLA. This is known as motor locked rotor amperes, LRA. Answer D. 6. Question number 27. How should plug fuses of 15 ampere and lower ratings be identified according to PEC? Answer D. By a hexagonal configuration of the window or cap. Question number 28. An autotransformer differs from other types of transformers in that blank. Answer C. Its primary and secondary windings are common to each other. Question number 29. How many kilowatt-hour are used when a 10 horsepower motor in a factory runs 16 hours per day at full load? Answer D. 119 kilowatt-hours. Question number 30. Which of the following materials possess the least specific resistance? Answer C. Silver. Question number 31. According to PEC, where should Type 2 SPDs be installed in a service supply building or structure? Answer C. Anywhere on the load side of a service disconnect over current device. Question number 32. What is the maximum conductor size that conduit bodies, such as capped elbows and service entrance elbows, can enclose? Answer B. 14 mm square. Question number 33. The output voltage of a generator depends upon the blank. Answer D. All of these. Question number 34. How much current does a 100-watt light bulb require when operating on 120 volts? Answer D. 833 milliampere. Question number 35. What should be the minimum free space for the full length of the groove in which the cable or raceway is installed to avoid the need for steel plate protection? Answer C. 32 millimeters. Question number 36. Where should the screw shell of a plug-type fuse holder be connected? Answer B. To the load side of the circuit. Question number 37. In which situation shall no ampacity adjustments be required for the conductors when modifying the burial depth of direct burial or electrical duct bank circuits? Answer B. When the burial depth is decreased. Question number 38. What is the efficiency of a certain electronic power supply that requires 25 watts of input power and can produce an output power of 20 watts? Also, what is the power loss? Answer D. 80%, 5 watts. Question number 39. How should circuit breakers be marked with their ampere rating to ensure visibility after installation? Answer D. By using a removable trim or cover to make the marking visible. Question number 40. For how many hours can the battery deliver 2 amperes if it is rated at 70 ampere hour? Answer C. 35 hours. Question number 41. The method of charging lead-acid cell commercially is blank. Answer B. Constant voltage method. Question number 42. Synchronous converters are normally used to blank. Answer A. Change AC to DC. Question number 43. What law states the relationships of power to current, voltage, and resistance? Answer D. Watt's law. Question number 44. If included in the manufacturer's instructions, how far should the Type 3 SPD connection be from the service or separately derived system disconnect according to PEC? Answer B. 10 meters. Question number 45. What should be the minimum temperature rating of the insulating fitting or insulating material used to protect the conductors? Answer C. Not less than the insulation temperature rating of the installed conductors. Question number 46. What is the amount of current out of the second resistor when two equal value resistors are connected in series, and there is a current of 2 mA into the first resistor? Answer C. 2 mA. Question number 47. What additional marking should circuit breakers used as switches in 115 volt and 265 volt fluorescent lighting circuits have, according to PEC? Answer A. SWD or HID marking. Question number 48. What is the primary purpose of using shielding for solid dielectric insulated conductors operated above 2000 volts in permanent installations, according to PEC? Answer B. To drain off the capacitive charging current. Question number 49. What is the voltage across each of the resistors when a 100 ohm and a 220 ohm resistor are connected in parallel with a 5 volt source? Answer C. 5 volts. Question number 50. What is the total resistance across the output of the amplifier when 4 8 ohm speakers are connected in parallel? Answer D. 2 ohms. Good luck and God bless.